Hello, how's it going today? My name is Jesus, and first and foremost, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know you're probably wondering why I'd even, go out of my way to make a video like this for you. And the main reason is a lot of business owners, especially, pest technicians, now that it's getting warmer, the bugs are starting to come out, they're a lot, or I should say they're way too busy to realize how the internet can bring them even more business. So, and to be honest with you, the only thing stopping them is knowing who the expert is and who's not. Okay, so basically, really quick, I'm just going to break this down, give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your online relevance. And so there are three things that I'm going to talk to you about today. And to be honest, like I said, you can take these tips and tricks and you can rank #1 in Google, be in the map pack, and just completely blow out your competition just with these tricks. Okay, so you can do this all yourself at your own leisure, whichever way you want. Okay, so I'm going to talk about three things. The first and foremost, I'm going to talk about content. Secondly, I'm going to talk about backlinks, and then the last one I'm going to talk about is citations. All right, so if I go, since I'm here at your website, I'm going to show you really quick. Okay, I'm going to go over your website really quick. It's a basic website. It's completely fine according to Google's terms. The only thing Google cares about, honestly, is your content and how many words you have. The typical website has anywhere between 15 and 2,000 words. Okay, that's how much Google wants you to have. And so if I highlight this here, let's see, I'm going to copy this, put it in my word counter. You have about 138 words. Okay, you really want to get to that 15 to 2,000 word count. Okay, and make sure that your keywords are on point. So if I go over here, right, and I googled Lubbock Pest Control, you'll see that your main competitor here is Fox Pest Control. So they're in the map pack here, which is super important. This is where all the traffic goes. And they're #1 in organic listings. Okay, this just means that they have more backlinks than you do. Right here in this part right here, that means that they have more citations than you. And I'll cover that here later on. So we had about 138 words. And then if we look at your competition here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to highlight all their stuff here, if it'll let me. Let's see. Come on. Come on. There it is. All right, and then I'm going to copy. I'm going to go over here to the word counter. You'll see that they're not doing that well either. They're at 451. The only reason that they're outranking you, though, is because they're using keywords that you're currently not using, okay? So one of the main keywords that they're using is Lubbock Pest Control. You can see, let's see, I have this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that I pay for, obviously because I'm in the industry. But there are plenty of free tools that you can use out there for backlinks and things like that. But like keyword finder, things like that. So if we go over here to their organic keywords, you'll see the amount of keywords that they're ranking for. So you see Lubbock Pest Control Lubbock. Let's see, Lubbock Pest Control again, Lubbock Pest Control. See, so they have these on their website constantly, which is a good reason as to why they're outranking you, okay? So that's why I wanted to talk to you about content. So you need to make sure that you have 15 to 2,000 words here in your homepage, and that your keywords are relevant to your business, right? So you want to put Lubbock Pest Control, put it somewhere here. You want to put Pest Control Lubbock, Pest Control Technicians Lubbock, things like that, okay? So if we look at yours, okay, now we're going to talk about backlinks, okay? Unfortunately, Google doesn't care about what your website looks like. Your customers will care, obviously, because they want something that looks nice, so something that looks homey, something that it looks like it took time for you to build, right? So let's see. All right, so backlinks, right? So right here, right? So they're #1 in organic. This is where all the backlink power comes from, okay? So all in the organic section. The more backlink power you have, the higher up in the rankings you'll be up in this organic section. So if we look at your competitors here, okay? And we go back to the overview. Okay, you're going to see that they have 117 referring domains. So their website is on 117 different other websites that are backing them up for what they do. So obviously, wherever you put your website, you don't want to put it like, anywhere like in a restaurant industry or, uh, anywhere else. Obviously, you're a pest control, company. So Google is going to know that. So they just want to know that you're trusted and that all these other companies trust you to put their links on there. This is just the number of times that they're on there. And then look at the organic traffic. Okay, they're looking at their website 311 times per month. Imagine if your website got 311 views per month. How much money do you think you're missing out on? So if we go to yours here, you have 0 organic traffic. Okay, this is just an average. 0 people are looking at your website. I don't know about you, but if it were me, I would definitely be worried about that. Okay, and your organic keywords, just want to take a look at this real quick, is Mears Pest Control Lubbock. All right, so if we go over here to them really quick and just take a look at their referring domains, you will see that they're on each and every one of these websites. And you can definitely do it yourself too. You can visit these websites and input your link, or you can request to put your link on there, so on and so forth. And it would actually help you in the organic rankings. Okay, it will take some time, obviously, but I mean, it can definitely be done. And then the best part is that the way you can outrank them, right, is if these links, these backlinks work for them, then they can definitely work for you. You know what I mean? It just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and you can definitely do it. Okay, so you take your backlinks, put it onto his, which I don't think you have any at the moment, and you'd be outranking them. Okay, if they have 100 and something backlinks, well, then you need to have 300 and something backlinks, and you'll be able to outrank them. The second thing I want to talk to you about really quick before I forget is citations, or the third thing I should say, citations. This is where you can find yourself here in the map pack. This is where all the traffic goes. So obviously this is the most important, right? So citations are anywhere that you can find your business in a directory. Okay, so we're talking about yellow pages, we're talking white pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, places like that. Any place where you can put the name of your business, the location, the address, phone number, and all that's in any directory that you can find your business at. You can put it here on Google, and it'll make them easier for them to find you. Okay, so one of the things that I like to say is that Fox Pest Control probably has, I don't know, maybe anywhere between, 300-400 citations. All you would need is just one extra to be right here in this map pack. All right, so other than that, if you just implemented those three things, the first one is content, right? The second one are backlinks. So just have more backlinks, put them into the into these links here. It looks like you only have one referring domain. I'm going to take a look at that really quick. Expertise.com. Okay, so if you just wanted to enter into more, you'd definitely rank higher. Okay, and people would actually view your website. Now you have one of two options. Okay, now you can either do this yourself, right? It takes a while. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. It takes a while to reach out to these companies to put yourself out there and things like that. You can definitely do it yourself. I have no problems against that. You can, I mean, it's a free world, right? You can do whatever you want. Or you can hire someone that's been doing this for a while now. So if you want it to be me, you can obviously reach out. If not, that no harm, no foul. But all in all, I just wanted to thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.